Good evening, quick and short video here. One thing you can do with simple woodworking is make a cork. From wood. It's a very simple process. Especially when you don't drink a lot of wine or you use it for cooking, it's handy to have a reusable cork. It makes the seal, but is easily removable. It's a nice thing to make. It's really simple. Basically only the taper and it being round. So the taper is as even as possible all around. It's really important, well, really important. And of course leaving yourself something like a handle, because you're making it by hand, and the corks the bottles come with, they're machine made, so you cannot really match those tolerances completely. And then it's easy to give yourself some handle to really screw it in using two hands. Yeah. So apart from the taper and the symmetry of the taper and the length of the handle, so you have some grip, the rest is not really necessary. You can leave it as simple or decorated as you want. I did some really simple decorations because I like that kind of style. It's very much a piece of wood, but things have been done with it. So it's unmistakably being altered by a human. So yeah, really simple. All you need is a knife. I use this literal kitchen knife. I just decorate it for some fun, and I've used it for basically all woodworking projects until now. It's sturdy, it's cheap, so yeah. Might be faster than going to the shop and buy one of the reusable corks. So yeah, if you need a small little project, make yourself a cork from wood. Alright, that's all. Prost, cheers, or whatever you say in your country. Enjoy your drink and have a nice evening. Houdoe.